Hey guys, Blake here with Torque Boards. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install your LCD display right here into your TB40 V3H enclosure. So what we're going to need to install this LCD display are these two M2 by 14 millimeter socket cap bolts right here. And these are going to be threaded into these holes right here on each side of the display. And something important to remember is that you actually want to install this LCD display upside down with this font reading backwards, because when we flip this enclosure around, when we're writing on the board, we want this LCD indicator to show the display the right way and not upside down. So what we need to do is flip this before we insert it, because our enclosure right now is technically resting upside down. So to install this, we actually put this through the back side of the enclosure, and then we just want to line up our display part of the LCD with the opening right here on the enclosure. And as you can see right here, we want the holes on the enclosure to line up with the holes on the LCD itself, so that we can start taking our M2 by 14 socket cap bolts right here and threading them in to secure the LCD to the enclosure. You can then start guiding your M2 by 14 millimeter socket cap bolts into the LCD by using a tool. And you want to do this very slowly and carefully, because these bolts are small and can strip if you're not really careful. Here's what your LCD display will look like once it's fully installed and your bolts are threaded in. And I'll show you the back side really quick. Right here on our LCD is where the back side of our charging port is actually going to get plugged into. So we can go ahead and plug this in right now, and there we go. That is pretty much all there is to the tutorial for installing your LCD display into your TB40 V3H enclosure. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see something coming from us soon. Bye.